Welcome to aminacademy.com. In integration, let us discuss about definite integrals. Now, let us see some introductions. Here, consider this xy plane. In that, a curve lie like that. Suppose this is a f of x. Now, from this curve, drop a perpendiculars to the from the curve to the x-axis with some limits. Here, suppose this is a limit a, that means x equal to a, and the second limit, this is x equal to b. Between the curve and to the x-axis within the limit of a and b, share the portion gives area under the curve within the limit. This is called a definite integral of that f of x. Now we can see now integral of f of x with the limits of a to b gives, suppose the area is considered as f of x. Here this f of x is given if you integrate within the limit of a and b, which gives the area under the curve. Also, it's called a definite integral of the function with respect to the limits a and b. Now, let us see more definition on that. If f of x is an integral of small f of x, then the difference of that is f of b minus f of a between the values of f of x at x equal to b and x equal to a is called definite integral of f of x, means the function given between the limits a and b. Between the limits a and b. By symbol we can write integral of f of x limit a to b dx equal f of x within the limits of a and b, which is further equal f of b means upper limit minus f of the lower limit. The interval a comma b is called interval of integration. Interval of integration. Now, for example, consider the integration limit 2 to 4 x square dx. we'll calculate this. Integration of x squared, we know that x cube over 3, we have to give the limit for x to 1 4, which gives the upper limit first, that is, instead of x we have to write 4 cube over 3 minus the lower limit is 2, that is 2 cube over 3, which is equal 4 cube is 64 over 3 minus 8 over 3, which is equal 56 over 3 is a value of that integration. Here, note the point. Normally, we are introducing an arbitrary constant for integration, but here the arbitrary constant is not introduced since it is a definite integral. Here, the arbitrary constant is not introduced. We have done.